Before to start, cut the rabbit into pieces or have a butcher do it for you. Before cooking this recipe, marinate the cut meat together with the herbs in approximately 24 hours. Here are the herbs needed: thyme, bay leaves, sage, rosemary, garlic, onion, carrot, white wine, and vinegar. Next is heat the skillet on medium-high. Place the rabbit pieces in the pan in a single layer. Take note, do not stir. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on one side until lightly white, and turn on the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, heat olive oil in a large skillet on medium-high. Transfer one by one the meat to a clean plate and get rid of excess liquid in the skillet. Put back the meat in the skillet. Be sure that skillet is dry and clean. On low heat, add the white wine and the prepared olive oil from the pan. Then, add the bay leaves and black olives. In this recipe, we use a manual herbs grinder, which makes the recipe more fragrant and gives more taste. At this point, add the tomato sauce and pour the vegetable stocks. Just lift a quart on it. Reduce heat to medium-low. Cover the pan and cook for 40 to 60 minutes. Cover the pan when the liquid has reduced by half, and if the meat isn't yet tender, pour the remaining stocks that increased heat to high and cook for several minutes. Uncover the pan and cook for several minutes to boil off excess moistures and reduce the sauce. When the sauce has reduced and the meat is tender, check the seasoning. Add salt and pepper to taste. Remove from heat and serve. Ta-da! Here it goes. Serve with polenta. And in this meal, we add the sauteed mushrooms to complete our lunch. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my page, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you again in my next video.